How can candy jars achieve clean, efficient, and automated packaging from bottle handling to finished product? Bottle sorting machine automatically organizes, arranges, and orients messy candy jars for output. Bottle flipper with the bottle opening facing down. The bottle is flipped so that the bottle opening faces down, preparing it for subsequent cleaning processes. Air blowing dust collector, high pressure clean airflow slowly cleans the inside and outside of the can. Bottle flipper reset conveyor, flipping the clean cans back to their normal upright position. UV sterilizer, the can is irradiated with ultraviolet light through a sterilization channel, covering the bottle opening and inner wall. This single head capping machine precisely caps products in a clean environment. It effectively prevents moisture and dust accumulation. Bottle collectors